Do you want to turn off professional mode on Instagram? You can turn off a professional account on Insta with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To turn off professional mode on Instagram, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you are on Instagram, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner to access your profile. In the top right corner of your profile, tap the three horizontal lines, Menu. A new menu screen will appear. From the menu, scroll down to the Professional section. Under this, find and select Creator Tools and Controls. Now that you are on the new screen, scroll down to the bottom of the screen. Here, you'll see an option to switch account type. Just tap on it. A pop-up menu will appear. From here, select Switch to Personal Account. Confirm your choice by selecting Switch to Personal Account again from the pop-up screen. Your Instagram account will successfully switch from professional to personal mode.